Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Emma. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake.
If you are learning English,
And you feel confused about have, has, and had,
you are not alone.
many beginners feel the same.
Today, we're going to make this easy, clear, and comfortable.
No stress.
No grammar fear.
Just real English.
Let's start very simply.
Yes, very simple.
First question, Jake.
Okay.
What is the first thing you think of when you hear the word have?
I think about possession.
Exactly.
Having something.
Like, I have a phone.
That's the most basic use.
And very important for beginners.
Let's slow it down.
I have a phone.
Simple present.
Talking about now.
About your life.
Now, let's change the subject.
Okay.
Instead of I, what if we say he or she?
Then we use has.
Yes,
He has a phone.
she has a job.
This is where beginners get confused.
Yes, but don't worry.
It's very normal.
Let's make it emotional.
Emotional?
Yes.
Okay, go on.
Imagine a friend calls you.
They sound happy.
You ask, what's new?
They say, I have good news.
That sounds exciting.
Now imagine you're talking about someone else.
You say, she has good news.
Natural English.
Now, let's pause.
Okay,
Notice something important.
what?
We are not thinking about grammar rules.
True.
We are thinking about people.
And situations.
That's how English works in real life.
Now let's talk about feelings.
Good idea.
People use have a lot to talk about feelings.
Yes,
For example, I have a headache.
very common.
I have a problem.
Also very common.
I have a question.
Teachers hear that every day.
Now let's change it to he or she.
He has a headache.
She has a question.
Sounds natural.
Now let's talk about daily life.
Yes, daily English is very important.
Morning conversation.
You say, I have work today.
Or I have class today.
If you're tired, you say, I have no energy.
Very real English.
Now, imagine you're talking about your friend.
You say, he has work today.
She has an exam.
Now let's talk about responsibilities.
People use have a lot for that.
For example, I have to study.
I have to wake up early.
I have to try harder.
That last one is emotional.
Yes, very.
Now, imagine someone feels stressed.
They say, I have too much to do.
That sentence shows emotion.
Now let's gently introduce had.
Yes, but very slowly.
No pressure.
Had talks about the past.
Something before now.
For example, yesterday I had a busy day.
That's very natural.
Or I had a meeting.
Now imagine you're talking about feelings in the past.
I had a headache yesterday.
I had a bad day.
Many people say that.
Now let's compare.
Okay.
Today you say I have a headache.
Yesterday you say I had a headache.
See the difference?
Same feeling, different time.
Now let's bring emotion again.
Always important.
Imagine you're remembering something.
A memory. You say, I had a dream.
That sounds deep.
Or, I had hope.
Very emotional English.
Now, let's talk about experience.
Yes, very common use.
People say, I have experience.
Talking about now.
But if the job is finished, they say, I had experience in that role. Good difference.
Now let's talk about problems and solutions.
People say, I have a problem.
But Mindset English continues.
I have a solution.
That feels positive.
Now, past problems.
I had many problems.
But I learned from them.
Very emotional.
Now let's talk about plans.
Plans use have a lot.
For example, I have plans this weekend.
Or I have something important to do.
Now, past plans.
I had plans, but they changed.
Life English.
Now let's talk about obligation again.
Yes, have to.
I have to study.
I have to work late.
But past obligation.
I had to study a lot.
I had to make a decision.
Those sentences are strong.
Now, let's talk about emotions with have.
Yes, very important.
People say, I have fear,
Or more common, I have fear of speaking.
but also positive.
I have hope.
I have confidence.
I have faith.
Those are powerful words.
Now past emotions.
I had fear before.
But now I feel better.
Very encouraging.
Now let's talk about memories.
People say, I have memories of my childhood,
That's beautiful.
or I had a happy childhood.
Very emotional English.
Now, let's talk like real friends again.
Okay.
Emma, do you have time later?
Yes, I have some free time.
Yesterday, did you have time?
No, I had no time yesterday.
See how easy that is?
Yes.
Same idea.
Different time.
Now, let's talk about questions.
Yes.
People ask, do you have a question?
Or do you have any doubts?
Very common in learning.
Now, in the past, did you have questions?
Easy.
Now let's talk about mistakes.
Important topic.
People say, I have mistakes.
Or more natural, I make mistakes.
Yes, good point.
But in the past, I had many mistakes.
And that's okay.
Now, let's slow down.
Yes.
English is not about being perfect.
It's about being understood.
And have, has, had help you express life.
Life has feelings.
Life has problems.
Life has joy.
And English helps you talk about it.
Now let's help listeners practice silently.
Listen and feel.
I have dreams.
I have goals,
I had doubts.
but I continued.
Those sentences matter.
Now let's connect this to learning English again.
Yes.
You can say, I have motivation,
Or honestly, I don't always have motivation.
but then say, I still try.
That's real English.
Now let's end this part with calm energy.
You're learning.
You're growing,
And you're doing fine.
one step at a time.
Always. Okay, let's talk about something deeper now.
Okay?
Because have, has, had are not just grammar words.
They are life words,
They help us talk about stories,
about experiences.
about moments that stay in our heart.
So let's talk about life experiences.
Good idea.
People often say, I have been through a lot.
That sentence feels heavy.
Yes, very emotional.
But beginners can also say, I had many difficult times.
That's simple and strong.
Now imagine someone sharing their past.
They say, I had no confidence before.
But then they add, now I have confidence.
That change feels powerful.
Same words,
Different time.
different life.
Now let's talk about childhood.
People love talking about childhood.
You can say, I had a happy childhood.
Or I had a hard childhood.
Very real English.
Now let's talk about opportunities.
Good topic.
People say, I have an opportunity.
Or I have a chance.
But in the past, I had a chance, but I was afraid.
That sentence feels honest.
Now let's talk about regret.
Yes, very emotional.
People say, I had no idea,
Or I had a chance to try.
but they didn't.
That's life.
Now let's talk about success.
Everyone likes that.
People say, I have success now.
Or more natural, I have achieved success.
But beginners often say, I have a good job.
That's perfectly fine.
And past success, I had success after working hard.
Now let's talk about failure.
Important topic.
People don't like talking about it.
But it helps learners.
You can say, I had failures.
But I learned.
That sentence shows growth.
Now let's talk about relationships again, but deeper.
Okay,
People say, I have trust in you.
that's beautiful.
Or, I have respect for you.
Very mature English.
In the past, I had trust, but it broke.
That sentence is sad.
But honest.
Now let's talk about support.
Yes.
People say, I have support.
Or, I have people who believe in me.
That sentence gives strength.
In the past, I had no support.
But maybe now they do.
Now let's talk about learning English emotions.
Very important for our listeners.
Many learners say, I have fear when I speak.
Very common.
But they can also say, I have courage to try.
That's mindset English.
In the past, I had fear.
But I didn't stop.
Now let's talk about time.
Time is very common with have.
People say, I have time today.
Or I don't have time.
In the past, I had no time yesterday.
Very useful English.
Now let's talk about choices.
People say, I have a choice.
That sentence gives power.
In the past, I had no choice.
That sentence feels heavy.
Now let's talk about dreams.
Yes.
People say, I have a dream,
Simple.
but powerful.
In the past, I had a dream and I followed it.
That's inspiring.
Now let's talk about responsibility again, but emotionally.
Okay.
People say, I have responsibility.
Or more natural, I have responsibilities.
In the past, I had too much responsibility.
That sentence feels real.
Now let's talk about mistakes and forgiveness.
Good topic.
People say, I had mistakes.
But then say, I forgive myself.
That's mindset English.
Now let's talk about confidence in speaking.
Learners often say, I don't have confidence.
That's okay.
But they can also say, I'm building confidence.
That sentence shows hope.
In the past, I had no confidence.
But I practiced.
Now let's talk about daily small talk.
Yes, very important.
People ask, do you have plans tonight?
Or do you have time to talk?
In the past, did you have fun yesterday?
Very natural English.
Now let's talk about life changes.
People say, I have changed.
Or my life has changed.
But beginners can say, my life is different now.
In the past, I had a different life.
Now let's talk about gratitude.
Beautiful topic.
People say, I have a lot to be thankful for.
That sentence feels warm.
In the past, I had nothing, but I kept going.
Very emotional.
Now let's talk about hope again.
Yes.
People say, I have hope.
Simple.
In the past, I had hope even in hard times.
That sentence gives strength.
Now let's talk like close friends again.
Okay.
Emma, how do you feel about learning English?
Honestly, I had doubts before.
And now?
Now I have confidence.
That's a great journey.
Yes, and our listeners are on that journey too.
Now let's slow down.
Take a breath.
Learning English takes time.
And that's okay.
You have time.
You have potential.
And you have support here.
Always. This part feels like a quiet moment.
Yes,
Like when you sit down and think about your journey.
your English journey.
Your life journey.
Because have, has, and had help us tell that story.
Not just grammar.
But moments.
Now, I want to talk directly to our listeners.
Me too.
If you're listening right now,
You're doing something brave.
you chose to learn.
Even if you feel tired.
Even if you feel slow.
Even if you feel unsure.
That choice matters.
So let's talk about self-talk.
The words you say to yourself.
Many learners say, I don't have good English.
Let's change that.
Say, I have improving English.
Or, my English is getting better.
That feels kinder.
Now let's talk about looking back.
The past.
You can say, I had fear before.
I had confusion.
I had stress.
I had stress.
But you're still here.
Still learning.
That means something.
Now let's talk about today.
Right now.
You can say, I have motivation today.
Or, honestly, I don't have much energy today.
Both are okay.
English lets you be honest.
Now let's talk about the future.
Yes. You can say, I will have confidence.
Or, I hope to have better English.
Those sentences are dreams.
And dreams matter.
Now let's talk about small victories.
Very important.
Understanding a sentence.
Speaking without fear.
listening without translating.
You can say, I have improved.
That's progress.
Now let's talk about connection.
Language connects people.
You can say, I have friends from different countries.
That sentence feels open.
Now let's talk about confidence in speaking again.
Many learners wait.
They say, I will speak when I'm perfect.
But perfect never comes.
So Mindset English says, I speak even if I make mistakes.
That's courage.
Now let's talk about mistakes one last time.
Yes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
You can say, I had mistakes.
You can say, but I learned.
That's growth.
Now let's talk about gratitude.
You can say, I have this chance to learn.
That sentence brings peace.
Now let's slow down.
Take a breath.
English is not a race,
It's a journey.
and everyone's journey is different.
You don't need to compare.
You just need to continue.
Now let's do a small practice together.
Listeners, just listen.
I have courage.
I have patience.
I had fear, but I didn't stop.
I have hope.
These sentences belong to you.
Now let's bring everything together.
Have for now,
Has for he and she.
had for before.
Simple.
Enough.
You don't need more today.
Just keep listening.
Keep speaking,
Keep trying.
because learning English is possible.
For you.
Before we finish, we want to ask you something.
If this podcast helped you,
Please like this video.
subscribe to Talk Emma for more real English podcasts.
Leave a comment. Tell us one sentence using have, has, or had.
We love reading your comments.
And they help others too.
Share this episode.
With someone who is learning English.
Learning together is easier.
I'm Emma,
I'm Jake.
and this is Talk Emma.
Keep learning
Keep growing.
and never forget.
You already have what it takes. Bye, everyone.